Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Today Alyssa and I are going to be making a pizza. So this is what we're going to need. This is our ingredients. We got all-purpose flour, oregano, olive oil, salt, Fleischmann's, I'm not going to try that name, active dry yeast, sugar, and we're going to get some warm water. So this is about 1 cup of warm water. So now we're going to get our mixing bowl. And we're going to pour our water in, and we're going to add to our water the sugar and stir to dissolve that sugar. So just keep stirring until all the sugar is dissolved. Stir, stir, stir. Now that that's all dissolved, we're going to go in with our olive oil, some oregano, give that a quick stir, and now we're gonna go in with our yeast. So I'm gonna use just 1 packet of the yeast. That should be enough for this 1 cup of water, and we're just gonna let the yeast bloom. I'm also gonna go ahead and add a sprinkle of salt. Give the mixture a quick stir, and this is what it looks like now. And we're gonna go in with about 2.5 cups of flour, and I'm also gonna be using a spoon because the dough is gonna get pretty sticky, and I just don't want to be using my hands just yet. So we're gonna mix with a spoon. And we have our dough forming nicely here, so just gonna give this another spin around, and then we're gonna sprinkle on some flour to get the dough a little more manageable, and fold. Folding helps to release some of that gluten. I think so. And there is our dough. Beautiful looking dough, isn't it? Yeah. So I'm just gonna, I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just tucking under. But we're gonna leave it now covered with a damp cloth for about an hour to rise. Yay. Okay guys, so this is for our sauce. We got tomatoes, sweet pepper, garlic, scallion, onion, and we're gonna use a little bit of the oregano. So we're just gonna blend up all of these and get started. Quick sneak peek at the dough, guys. It has been rising for about 40 minutes, and we're gonna go ahead and punch down. So nice. Look at that. Super sorry for the missing footage here, guys, but this is our tomato paste. All I did was to pour the blended mixture into the pot, simmer it for about 40 minutes with 2 tablespoons of sugar, brown sugar, some Maggi all-purpose seasoning, and ketchup. That's it. So for our topping, we have some jerk sausage, some chicken, bacon, pineapple, and we have some onion, sweet pepper, and tomato. Yeah. And yes, pineapple. Lots and lots of pineapple. That's what I said. Whole heap of pineapple. Now it's time to get our dough again. Punch! Okay, so there's our floured container, buttered and floured, and I'm just gonna put in our dough and press it around the corner. Think it is thick enough. Now let's get to topping. So first up is our tomato sauce. Now that it's thick and nice, we're just gonna scoop that on and spread it around. I guess you can put as much as you like, as much as you'd want on your pizza. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and put that on and spread it all around generously. Next up, I'm gonna go ahead and add some mozzarella cheese. We're just gonna sprinkle it all over the tomato sauce. After we've added our cheese, we're just gonna go ahead and top our pizza. So I'm using, my jerk sausage, the chicken, the pineapple, sweet pepper, tomato, onion, whatever toppings you choose. You want to make it a plain cheese pizza, pepperoni, whatever it is, you go ahead and add what you'd like on your pizza. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some cheddar cheese. I'm using sharp cheddar, and then we're gonna bake for 10 to 15 minutes, and then it's time to eat. So let's go and see how Alyssa's been doing, because Aly's also making a pizza. So let's see how well she followed the recipe.
Okay guys, for the sauce, so we're making a pizza this Sunday. Hold on. And what is in this is tomato, scallion, onion, and garlic, and we're gonna just blend that up. Okay. Oh, tell the first stop. But yeah guys, so we're gonna blend this up, and then I'm gonna be back when I'm putting it on the stove. Yeah, so I put a little bit of oil in the pot, and then I'm gonna throw this out in the, oh, the seasoning smells good. I'm gonna throw this out into the pot. Okay guys, so this is after adding everything and ketchup into the pot. This is how my sauce looks. I'm gonna take this sauce and put it on the pizza. So sauce it up. Okay. Yes guys, so we're gonna be using, well, I'm gonna be using Mexican cheese mix, mozzarella, cheddar cheese, and for my toppings I'll be using ham, bacon, sausage, and some sweet peppers, which I haven't cut up yet, but yeah. So I'll get back to you when I'm finished. So guys, don't you ever forget that pineapple goes on pizza. And this is not tin pineapple. This is what's it called? Pineapple sugar loaf pine that my mother cut this morning for the pizza. Comment down below if you're a pineapple on pizza or not a pineapple on pizza person. So guys, we're gonna put this in the oven and be back. So it's in. I'm gonna close up the oven. This is the ending product of the pizza. Pineapple on pizza all day, every day. Bad. This bad, guys. This bad. Yeah. Eat bad. Eat bad. Let's see. Nice. Thanks. Yeah, one whole piece of a Sean.
Come to miss the first batch and the second batch and the third batch. You see the fourth batch all in one. Yeah.
And that's it for this video today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys try it out. It's really fun and really, really nice. Bye, guys.